All right, so we're gonna see the brand new Shelby GT500 here. Oh, wow. What's up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Whoa, I just got a call from Sheridan Ford. My buddy Tim there said, guess what? Our GT500 has arrived. I'm gonna take a GT500, your GT500, to go get mine. Let's see what it looks like. It just came off the truck. Woo, I'm excited. Let's do a cold start. First cold start. Funny that we're on our way to go get our Shelby GT500 in a Shelby GT500. But, you know, there's something about the one that's yours. You know, this one that we're getting is the one that we spec'd out. We went to the plant and we got the chance to have fun, see ours being built, have a hand in it, the whole nine. Rear lights now. That's the interior. Yes, we went grabber line. There we go. All right. Somewhere, my 500 is here. Sheridan Ford in Delaware. All right, let's do this. I saw a green car. I thought it was mine, but that's the new. That green color is there for. They got the 350s. Yeah, that's the new Performance Back EcoBoost. But somewhere back there is my car, so let's park and find out what's up. Well, guys, we are here at Sheridan Ford with my buddy Tim. Thank you so much. I haven't seen the car yet. We just did some. We're doing some paperwork here, but we're gonna. So let's go check it out. Let's go see what's up. Right here is the actual manual. So now I'm gonna see it for the first time in the flesh. Let's check it out. Okay. So again, guys, stay to the end of the video because me and Tim are going to tell you the date when we have our meet here. Where you guys can bring your Mustangs and have some fun. New Shelby GT500 here. Oh, wow. Wow. That green looks fire. We chose red before and I bothered Tim. I said, we got to change it to the green.
I like the green.
Oh, man. Looks amazing. There she goes. We did get it with the black stripes. A lot of emotions right now. You know, it's kind of hard to like sometimes talk even because we've been through such a journey together. But the fact that she's here, we ordered it, we built it, we spec'd it. Now we're here at Sheridan Ford. Can't wait to try it. I'll get more of a breakdown. We got the not the Recaros, because I like to take road trips, so we got heated and cool seats in there. And so wow, this is crazy. It reminds me so much of the Mamba, it's not even funny because I miss my car, but you know. All right, so we're gonna start it up. First start of our GT500 is here.
Actually, you might want to do it from the back.
Yeah, let's hear it from the back. I'm losing all my marbles here. Go ahead, first start. Yeah. Dude, I can't believe this, dude. What? This is my car, dude. This is crazy. All right, that's a beast. That's in the regular mode. It sounds good. Whew. And we'll be coming back here for all of our service, oil change, regular maintenance, any recalls Ford might have. We'll come back to Sheridan Ford. And wow, this looks amazing. Yeah, the splitters up front, they'll put that on. and it looks great. I'm glad you, like, I bothered this guy so much. Like, we had a track pack. I said, listen, I don't really track the car. I go to the drag strip, and we were red with the white stripes. We went to the lime green. Grabber lime is called. So I'm usually not at a loss for words, but I can't talk right now because I'm like salivating. They did a good job. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh my gosh, guys, this is it. There she blows.
Actually, it's funny. Most of the Mustang hoods don't have a...
yeah, these prop rods. We actually have a hydraulic thing. This is the rain tray, and this is our 760 horsepower D7-speed dual clutch, carbon fiber drive shaft. The list goes on, and the nice hood pins to keep the hood down. I want to stand out, you know.
Definitely gonna stand out.
It's gonna stand out, yeah. Definitely gonna stand out. It's got an exotic look to it, you know. Can I open this this garage door to get the light on it? You see, like, the light? Let me get. I know some of it's a little bit that the light. The car will pop better in the light. It even looks good with a little bit of a. It even looks good dirty. Perfect. All right, y'all. Yes, it's happened. Our GT500 has been delivered. It's still a dealership. They have to go through their checklist first and make sure everything's okay. We did the paperwork. We're gonna come back, pick it up. I don't know what day you're gonna be seeing this video, but yes, we are having a delivery meet, Cars and Coffee Epic Showdown, January 25th. Not this Saturday, the following Saturday. Bring your Mustang, bring your GT500. We're gonna have some fun. I'll let you guys know. I think we'll start it up at 8:30 a.m. No, let's start the dealerships. I'm sorry. We'll start it at 9:30 a.m. At Sheridan Ford in Wilmington, Delaware. Information below. Everything's going to be there. My 500. Some other YouTubers will be there. Of course, we have the giveaway. It's going to be so much fun. You guys have no idea. We're going to have a blast. Big thanks to Sheridan Ford. We have it, you know. Next video you'll see, obviously, when we actually have the car home and it's all been taken care of and everything's finalized. I had to go there real quick, make sure this was the car, everything was good. They're gonna there's a special, it's on a special kind of thing with the when it comes off the truck. But you know, that's neither here nor there. It's here, you know. We got our GT500. So excited. I hope you like the color. Gotta get gas. I'll tell you one thing, the GT500 does drink a lot of gas, like a lot. So we got to get some gas. We're averaging 12 miles to the gallon in this guy, but we have it's exciting. I mean, we got a chance to see our car and start it up and hear it and see it and touch it, and it's happened. So thank you so much. It's a little surreal for me. It'll probably hit me when we actually drive the car home. But I was so excited to show you that it's here because a lot of people were like, where's the car? So it's here. So thankful, so excited. Our car, we have two 500s now. I mean, that's going to be fun. I mean, and I'm going to figure out the best way possible to make some videos. But we're going to have some fun. I'm running out of garage space. These are all good problems, all good things. So listen, 2020 is starting off crazy. We have a giveaway car. We have our own 500. We have so much to do. So little time to do it. Anyways, appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe. GT500 giveaway or mamamerch.com. Really appreciate all of you guys because you guys know it never ends. Peace.
The man, Carroll Shelby, engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT.
To build my kind of car, I had to take an existing car and modify it. I could have chosen any set of wheels I wanted. I picked Mustang.